welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly subscription roundup where I share with you guys all of the items that I got in all of my beauty subscription boxes in the month of September. I am currently subscribed to Ipsy, Allure Beauty Box, BoxyCharm, as well as Face Story. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my September boxes, then just keep watching. Sorry you guys if my lighting is a little more off than normal. I broke one of my lights and I'm waiting on my replacement bulbs, but I wanted to get this video filmed for you guys, so that is the reason for the lighting. I figured first and foremost we could jump into Face Story since that is a sheet mask subscription service, and then we can jump into the beauty related ones. So if you guys haven't heard of Face Story before, it is a monthly subscription service in which you are sent sheet masks every month. They have two different options. They have one where you get sent 4 sheet masks, and then they have the one that I'm subscribed to, which is the 7 Luxe box, and you get 7 different sheet masks, and it includes some like hydrogel or multiple step masks, whereas the 4 sheet mask box is more like simplistic, if you will, like normal just like cotton sheet masks. This guy costs $19.95 per month to subscribe, and if you're interested I'll leave a link for the website down below. Alrighty, so this says happy September, happy fall. And I don't know what the theme is going to be this month. It looks almost like Minecraft people, but I don't know what sort of theme that would be setting up. So let's really quick run through these 7 sheet masks that I got. First is the Whoa That H2O hydrating mask. Looks like this. This is a multi-step mask. I don't always love multi-step because I'm more of like a let me just get it on my face lazy type of gal when it comes to my skincare, but this one looks really easy. It looks like you just put something on and then you put the sheet mask on and you're good to go. And I love me a great hydrating mask, so excited to try this one. Next up we have the Merbliss Nurse Healing Intense Soothing Seal Mask. Looks like this. I always also love a good soothing mask. Then we have the Better Skin Premium Volcanic Ash and Botanical Fermentation. This is a detoxifying sheet mask. Ooh, I haven't tried many detoxifying sheet masks, and I'm really interested in trying more just because mud masks and detoxifying like masks that you rub onto your face can be super messy. So love that this is in a sheet mask form. Then we also got the Water Splash sheet mask. So sounds like another hydrating mask, which is amazing in my books. And then we got the yellow sheet mask, and I don't know what type of sheet mask this guy is. A lot of these are K-Beauty, so not all of the instructions or the info is always in English. Then we have the Whitening Inner Kalia Cream Mask Pack. I do also love whitening masks because I have tons of freckles on my face, so a brightening mask is always good for me. And then finally we have the Citra Derma Seal. This is a therapy medical mask. This looks intense. We'll have to see how this one goes. But those are the 7 masks that I got in my Face Story subscription box. Really happy with the Face Story subscription box. I love sheet masks and I love to like self-care by sheet masking a couple times a week, so this is an amazing way to just keep me restocked on my sheet masks and to keep my sheet mask collection forever full. So I really do enjoy that subscription service, and I would highly recommend it. Next up, let's jump into BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, I'm sure you guys have heard of before. $21 a month, and you get over $100 worth of makeup every month. Usually it's full size, sometimes it's deluxe size, but oftentimes you get full size products, which is amazing. Alright, so jumping right in, the first item that I got in my box is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Looks like this. I don't personally even like felt tip liners that much. I suck at winged liner, so I don't think a roll-on liner would be like the best option for me, so I'll probably set this one aside for a giveaway, but really cool that we got a liner in here. Then I love this. We got a Laura Geller Baked Blush. This is in the shade Tropical Hues, which I don't own, but I've considered buying before. I love the Laura Geller Baked Blushes. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that very well, but there it is on my hand. These definitely have like a shimmer sheen to them. They're not a matte blush, so if you only like matte blushes, you probably wouldn't like these blushes, but if you like a little bit of like a glowy a glowy cheek, I definitely highly recommend these blushes. I think they're beautiful, and I'm really excited to get a full size of these in the box. Next up, we got a brush set, and this is from Alamar Cosmetics. Really excited about this. It looks like it looks like an eye brush set, which I love getting new eye brushes because I always feel like maybe it's the brushes and not me, and that's why my eyeshadow always looks so jacked up, but it's probably just me. So anyway, it's a 3-piece brush set, and I love the green handles, so really excited to add these to my collection. Next up, we got a liquid lipstick from Hank & Henry, which I actually think is a pretty pricey brand, and I'm happy because it looks like the shade actually might be more fall-esque. Sometimes I feel like the lip shades that you get in BoxyCharm are ones that not many people typically wear. This looks like a really pretty shade, and definitely one that you can get away with in the fall. And it feels like a nice moussey formula, kind of like Dose of Colors, so I'm really excited to give this one a try. And then finally, we got a Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, which is amazing. I know Pretty Vulgar can be pretty expensive, and this is just a really beautiful, smoky, cool toned eyeshadow palette. I don't feel super inspired looking at this. However, I have been kind of leaning more towards wanting to play with cool tones lately, so I'm excited to play around with this and see if I like the formula or not. You guys will have to let me know if you've tried anything from Pretty Vulgar in the past. I know I've gotten other Pretty Vulgar items in my BoxyCharm before. I think I've gotten a blush as well as a gel liner maybe, but I haven't tried either of them. So you guys will have to let me know if you've tried Pretty Vulgar and if you like them or not. Those are all the items that we got in our BoxyCharm this month. I personally also really am happy with BoxyCharm. I'm always happy with for the most part, with each month's box. I think it's a really great value, and I would highly recommend BoxyCharm as well. Next up is my Allure Beauty Box. This costs $15 a month, and I don't know what they say their price range of products is that you get inside, but sometimes I've gotten full-size products, and oftentimes you'll get deluxe sample sizes. So let's jump into this. You usually get 5 products, I think, in each. Oh wow. Okay, so first up we have these Tarte Tarteist Pro cruelty-free lashes. They look like this. These are in Little Black Dress. They look actually not too dramatic, so they look like lashes I may like, but I also may set these aside for a giveaway just because I don't typically wear lashes all that often, so we'll see. And then they also included a Tarte Tarteist Pro lash glue, so that's awesome. I actually do need a new lash glue, so I'm happy that we got this. You guys, wow, I'm really excited about a couple of the products in here. Next up we have the Coconut Oil Gel by IGK. This is a hair product. This is the foundation in creating hydrated, lived-in, undone hair. Interesting. Really interesting. We'll have to see if I like this or not. This sounds like a really unique product. Okay, next up we got a little MAC mini lipstick, which is so exciting. This is in the shade Lustring. I'm super excited about this, and that's awesome. Wait, this is full size. We got a full-size MAC lipstick in here, you guys. That's awesome. I think MAC lipsticks are $17.50 or $18, so that's incredible. This is their, what formula is this? I can't seem to figure it out. This definitely is I wonder if this is their cream sheen formula, because this is going on pretty sheer, but it's a really pretty color and it feels super moisturizing, so that is amazing. And then finally, this is what I'm most excited about because I've been really wanting to try this product, but it's so expensive and I don't know how my skin's going to react to it, so I've held off on buying this. But we got a sample size of the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. You guys, I am so excited about this. I'm super happy with everything that we got in the Allure box this month. That's amazing. I can't believe we got a full-size MAC lipstick. Again, this is $15 a month, and I've always been pretty happy with Allure Beauty Box as well, so I think this is also a really good subscription service option. And then finally, you guys, we have Ipsy. Ipsy retails for $10 a month. I'm excited. I heard they're coming out with an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I'm super interested in. Ipsy's always hit or miss with me. I feel like it's either really good or really just I've never heard of the brands in there. So this is the bag this month. Super cute. This is my favorite bag I think I've ever received. I actually will probably use this one. So first up we have a brush in here from Luxie. This is a This is their 140 detail tapered blender. This actually looks like more like I would use it like for blending out concealer underneath my eyes. It's really super thick and super dense, but it feels really nice, and I like the navy ferrule. So excited about this. I'm excited about this brush. Next up, we got a tattooed waterproof eyeliner by Scone Cosmetics, and it looks like it's almost like a gold shade. We'll see if I can. Sorry, you guys, my voice is like ridiculous. I've been losing my voice for like probably 2 weeks now, and I just keep like thinking it's gonna come back, and maybe my voice is just forever changed. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, maybe this is, oh, this is just a black waterproof liner. It looks pretty black. And actually, okay, so this is what the tip looks like. It's a brush tip liner? Felt tip liner? I don't know. It's a felt tip liner, but it has a lot of give to it, which I actually prefer. If it's too stiff, I find it way too hard to work with. So again, I don't do winged liner that often, but for the times that I want to do winged liner, at least I have the option and I don't have to go purchase the liner myself, you know? Okay, then we got this microdermabrasion by Dr. Brandt. This is the age detoxifying exfoliator. I feel like I always get some version of the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion, like exfoliating whatever, in like every subscription service, and I don't really care for it that much. I don't know, it's just not that special in my opinion. I'll use it up, but it's not a product that I would personally go spend my money on, so that's just meh in my opinion. Then we got a lipstick. The packaging feels a little bit cheap. This is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and ooh, the shade actually looks really pretty. It's just this nice nude shade. Let's see. Okay, I like the shade. There is the shade right there. I think that's a really pretty nude neutral shade. So we will have to see how the formula is, but I like the shade on that. And then lastly, we have this blush by Steve Laurent, or Steve Laurent, I don't know. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm excited to see what the shade is. Ooh, the shade actually looks pretty. A nice neutral pink. Ooh, it's pretty, it's pink. There it is right there. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it with my lights, but it looks pretty pink, but it's also like pretty neutral, lighter, so this might work. We'll see, we'll see. I'll have to toss this in with my everyday makeup. You guys will have to let me know. Would you like to see me come back and do like a roundup where I let you know my thoughts and opinions on all the items I got in my subscription services every month, or would you not be interested in that? Let me know. Because I'm trying to think of like how I could include reviews of these items for you guys, but after that, that is going to conclude all of the items that I got in my September subscription services. You guys will have to let me know what subscription services you are currently subscribed to, and if you have any recommendations. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!